To install a helical pier, it starts with a multi-step process. You tend to start with the inspection of the area. We do need to check the surroundings, the soil type, depending on the application. You can use helical piers for mainly support and even recovery of large structures from decks to houses and new construction. But you do need to inspect the area first to see if the application is proper for a helical pier. Once the inspection is done and it passes that process, then there will be some type of load or composition test to see the type of helical piers that are used, how big your radius plates are, what pressures you need to drive those helical piers in, specifically the spacing. Typically that's around 6 foot, but you'll double check your spacing, and that all is applied through an engineer and approval process for us at KC Pier. Then once we go through the inspection, we've actually looked and reviewed the process, then we have the actual installation. And so the day of installation, we happen to use mini excavators. We have a drive head, which is essentially a large screwdriver in a sense, that's hydraulically driven, and then we drive those piers based on the application and the plot map to help supply either the support or the recovery of the structure. That tends to be a 1, 2, maybe 3 day process depending on how large the project is. And then once that piece is done, then there you have the final walkthrough. So with the final walkthrough, what we're testing is we're looking at all the pressure readings from the helical piers to the plot map to make sure that the support based off of our calculations is done correctly, and the cleanup of the area in its sense. Many times with a helical pier installation process, the walkway from the landscape and the environment looks extremely clean compared to, say, traditional push piers where holes are actually dug on the side of the structure. You don't necessarily have that with helical, so you can actually leave in your final inspection piece a really nice looking project site that's clean and orderly to the point where you may not even know that helicals were installed in the first place.